Hello buddy kitty. In this video I will teach you the states and capital of India. So what is states and capital of India? A state's capital is the city or municipality that serves all the seat of government for that state. So capitals comes from Latin word means head. So, a state is the principal administrative unit in many nations. So, now I will teach you which are the states and which are the capital of India. So, totally we have 28 states and its capital. So, now I will teach you each by each. Andhra Pradesh is a state and capital is Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh is a state and capital is Itnagar. Assam is a state and the capital is Dispur. Bihar is a state and the capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh is a state and the capital is Raipur. Goa is a state and its capital is Panaji. Gujarat is a state and its capital is Gandhinagar. Haryana is a state and its capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh is a state and its capital is Shimla. Jharkhand is a state and its capital is Ranchi. Karnataka is a state and its capital is Bengaluru. Kerala is a state and its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh is a state and its capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra is a state and its capital is Mumbai. Manipur is a state and its capital is Impal. Meghalaya is a state and its capital is Shillong. Mizoram is a state and its capital is Haziwal. Nagaland is a state and its capital is Kohima. Odisha is a state and its capital is Bhubaneswar. Punjab is a state and its capital is Chandigarh. Rajasthan is a state and its capital is Jaipur. Sikkim is a state and its capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu is a state and its capital is Chennai. Telangana is a state and its capital is Hyderabad. Tripura is a state and its capital is Agartala. Uttar Pradesh is a state and its capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand is a state and its capital is Devdam. West Bengal is a state and its capital is Kolkata.
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.